What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to show in-game editor in Football Manager 26. First open settings from here, then we need to open preferences, then we need to switch to detailed. Now from the left panel we need to select your word and then scroll down under it to the bottom, and then you will find an option of show in-game editor in the menu bar. Make sure that this option is checked and then your in-game editor will be enabled. If you can't see this option, that means you haven't purchased the add-on of in-game editor, and to purchase that add-on we need to head over to the launcher from where you have purchased the game. So I have purchased my game using the Xbox Game Pass, so that's why I need to open my Xbox launcher. If you are playing the game on different platform, then head over to that platform store. Now on the store we need to search for Football Manager, and then we'll see an option of Football Manager in-game editor. As you can see, this is the add-on. We need to select it, and then once you buy this add-on, the option will be available in your game. So this is the process. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.